Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Microsoft Teams to N8N step by step. Step 1. Go to the Azure portal and register a new application under the Azure Active Directory and then App Registrations. Step 2. After the registration, copy the application or client ID and directory tenant ID and then create a client secret and copy it as well. Step 3. Under the API permissions, add the delegated permissions for Microsoft Graph, such as this tree. Step 4. In your N8N, go to the Credentials section and then add a new Microsoft OAuth2 API and using the client ID, secret, and tenant ID that you copied. Step 5. In your N8N workflow, add an HTTP request node, or install a community module if it's available for Teams, and use the appropriate endpoint like this one. Step 6. Authenticate using your Microsoft OAuth2 credentials and then execute the node. And you should now see your message appear in the Teams channel. And now your Microsoft Teams is successfully integrated with your N8N automations. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.